What's going on, everybody? Well, I finally got my bucket back on, and I'm really happy with the way things are working out with it. Look, if you got a backhoe, you can do this too. I mean, worst case scenario, you'd have to get another bucket if you messed up. But a little bit of ingenuity and a lot of welding, and you can make this happen too. One of the main things I was concerned about is I have a 1/2 inch plate right here. This one piece that welds to the bucket. But this pin, I did not want my bottom pin digging in the dirt. So that was a concern of mine. So I raised my plate up a little bit, I think 2 inches above where I cut. And so far everything's working good. I've used it, and I do have some more reinforcement to do. I put this piece of angle across here for reinforcement. And another thing I had to do, which I don't know why it was made or sent to me this way, but I had to put a stopper, a pin, so your handles would stop instead of go all the way down and unbolt the bucket. I had to do that on both sides. So, but all in all, it's gonna be awesome. Now I do have some more things I got to do, like if you can see right down there, I'm gonna have to cut a little bit of that out so I get full tilt. But other than that, it's gonna be great. So let's see it in action. By the way, the motor's still running really good on this Ford. Just the rebuild. Nothing's hitting. Yeah, I'm tickled. It was a big job though. All right, guys, till next time. If you have any questions I can help you with, I'll be glad to help. Like I said, I'm not a professional at this, but I ended up making these side plates on both sides and for strength. And I'm probably going to add some more stuff like in between here, in between these two on the 1/2 inch piece. But yeah. All right, guys, till next time, y'all take care. Peace out.